Up by Andre Burakovsky. The shifty skater from the circle. No, off the outside of the netting. An awkward bounce off of whatever that hit.
It's up and right here. It's a missed shot on goal right there. It hit the back of the net, the back post where the water bottle is.
Look at the surprise.
He doesn't know what's going on. Watch it right there. There's a little camera up there. And that might have went in.
Now watch Burakovsky. He throws the arms up. And Cone tried to play it to the middle. The clearing attempt. Stolen. Score!
His ball, trying to get that puck. And what do you do if you don't get a battle? The pressure from Tanner Jeannot forces a turnover. Sissons to Trennan. Beats Francouz clean. The Preds tie the game off the post and in.
So the Herd.
Attacking the stick blade. You got to take a couple strides out and influence a miss.
Comfort just over the board. Makar rifles it. He scores. At 8 points total.
Well, they got caught out there, and there's Jeannot, and he was tired. They weren't able to get the puck out of the neutral zone into there, and they only got Sissons, so Trennan.
Jeannot to Sissons. Save! Francouz again! Rebound, score!
Well, the Herd has come to play tonight. Look at that chance right there. Jeannot to Sissons. Sissons robbed by Francouz. But the Herd never, and I mean never, gives up. Yakov, Trennan, what a game, what a series. Turns, fires, bar down, ties the game at 2.
Tracks down another puck. Good pass. Duchesne to the high slot. Backdoor! Score!
Philip Forsberg has arrived, courtesy of Matt Duchesne and Matthias Ekholm. A perfect pass. Look at the speed. The execution. Ekholm feathers a perfect pass to Forsberg, and he guides it into a wide open net. Francouz down and out, bit on Matthias Ekholm.
Everything. There's only 4 defenders. Taves, he scores!
But right here, nice little fake there by Erik Johnson. Pulls back and hits Taves wide open. Wide open. You can see Tolvanen coming on late because Duchesne got off. And then Taves has all the time in the world, just lines it up right under the bar. I mean, these guys don't miss. You give them that much time.
Trennan tried to bank a pass to himself. Makar tries to slip by. Trennan. Backside score. What a play, Makar.
Absolutely dominant series, and they find a way to get the puck. Here comes Makar right down. That's his move right there. He looks like he's going to the middle and just comes down the wall. And the vision right there, he sees Nichushkin right there, battles. Gets by the check. Perfect pass to Nichushkin.
Get the extra man on. Guilty shot. Rebound available. And cleared. Down to the empty net. Score.
That's all you can ask for is an opportunity right here. And Roman Josi gets it on Francouz. They almost get to the rebound. Can't quite get there. McKinnon just gets